In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SSL pending error on Shopify. Now, if you're new to Shopify or perhaps encountered this error suddenly, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once there, click on the Settings option. It's usually located towards the lower part of your sidebar menu. After clicking Settings, you'll see a variety of options to manage different aspects of your online store. Here, your focus should be on domains. So go ahead and select that. Now, let's talk about the SSL pending error. This message appears when you've just linked a custom domain to your Shopify store. It's essentially telling you that the Secure Sockets layer, or SSL, is not quite ready. This is a protocol that encrypts data between the web server and browsers, providing a secure link. The pending status is a common occurrence and usually happens during the initial connection phase of your domain setup. The primary reason you might see this error is timing. Specifically, it can take up to 48 hours for your custom domain to fully connect and for the SSL certificate to activate. This delay is because the internet's domain system needs some time to propagate the new data globally. All those connections, the DNS records you've carefully entered, need time to update and sync across the web. So, if you've only just updated your domain, my biggest piece of advice for you is patience. In most cases, simply waiting up to 48 hours will allow the error to resolve itself. Once everything has been updated across the network, your SSL pending error message should vanish without any further action needed from you. That said, it's important to note that occasionally, issues may persist beyond this time frame. If your error message is still there after 48 hours and you've ensured your DNS records are correct, a good move would be to reach out to Shopify's live support team. They have the resources and expertise to help identify any underlying issues that might be causing the delay and hopefully resolve them quickly. Just keep in mind that this process can sometimes require a bit more time, but rest assured that with the correct steps and a little patience, your online store will soon run on a secure connection. That's all you need. Now, you should feel a bit more in control of getting past that SSL pending hurdle on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.